Hi, have you ever wondered if your scales are accurate? Well, here's a quick test to check them out. First thing you need to do is remove the MC from the lid. Then you press the scales button and then you pop your MC back on. 35 grams, perfect. In a TM5, the MC weighs between 35 and 40 grams, and in a TM31, the same test works perfectly well, but that MC weighs between 25 and 30 grams. So there you go. The other tips for checking out your scales is to keep the feet super clean, make sure there's no tension on the cord from the wall, and also make sure there's nothing touching your machine when you're cooking. The other quick test you can do is that the spatula weighs 90 grams. There you go.